Welcome to Ticklipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams. So at first, just open up your Microsoft Teams app, then just go to chat. And from chat, you need to find the person who you want to block. Now, for example, let's say I want to block Shah. Now to block him, what I have to do is just click on the more options button next to his name, and then simply just click on the block button. And after that, I'll get a warning saying block Shah. They won't be able to message you, add you to group chats, or see your status in team. This chat will be deleted. And if you want, you can also report them for misconduct or anything. And if you don't want, you can uncheck this. Then just click on block. And the person will be blocked forever. And there you go, the person is blocked. You can see the icon next to their name. And basically that is how to block a person in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.